Give up, Aaron, you're cooked.
Yeah!
This goes where the sun don't shine. Cooked, old man. Awesome. All right, guys, I hope you're doing well today because we got a box. In the comments, they keep saying, go back to the roots. Go back to the roots. If this isn't the roots, you haven't been watching Braille long enough.
Throw in that box that you felt nice.
I know, thank you.
The only thing I'm really missing is the imminent threat of a drill being sent into my leg.
Gabe Cruz and I are opening a box.
I love when I don't know what's in the box, too.
Like, you literally have no idea.
What's in the box?
You have no idea. Usually you have an idea.
You just take.
Oh!
You go ahead and take it out.
Oh!
I'm not gonna look.
I was incorrect. I was completely incorrect.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
First of all, it's a good thing. Because I went through all this extra work last night to get trucks, and they done set this thing up prime time.
That's always a good thing.
Not only that, but this is the best packaged skateboard I have literally ever seen.
The suspense is killing me. Let me
know.
know when I can look now.
I think you just look.
What the heck?
Hey, look at these
Dude,
trucks.
that thing is massive.
I know.
Oh, this is beyond. Bro, we got to do some Titanic skating.
Huge shout out to #everybodyskates for sending me this board.
Wow.
And very, very well done on this design, everything you guys do. I really like what they do. #everybodyskates.
That's really nice.
Well, look at that, with the packaging and this on the side.
This protects from the chips, but what I will say right now, immediately is going up on an A rating just for having the packaging over, the plastic over the entire setup and nothing in between the trucks and the deck.
Yeah, phenomenal.
Oh my gosh, dude, this is a beautiful board.
So I brought grip tape because I thought for sure it's just a board with no grip tape and no trucks, but nope, this is full, complete setup.
I also give massive points for decks with the paint on the sides.
Yeah.
I don't really know what you call that.
Dipped.
Dipped.
They
Yes,
call
there
them
you go.
dipped.
My lingo isn't quite up to date. I'm what the kids call washed. Call me Unk in the comments.
I thought Unk was a good thing.
I mean,
Depends on
who you ask. I definitely say you're Unk status though. Absolutely.
What they call me in the comments is cooked.
Aren't we all?
Look at how big this is though.
Yeah, no, this is
What
really
the
good.
heck?
Can I see?
How do they even make this?
You know, for what it is, I thought it'd be a little heavier.
That's what I mean. I thought, like when I picked up the box, I was like, for sure it's just a board.
Yeah, I love the blue dip. The elephant graphic is sick. I mean, the fact that it came pre-set up with independent trucks, the perfect size of the deck is really good. Grip tape job, I don't know what kind of laser cutting they did for this, but it's damn good, is all I'll say.
Phenomenal.
The cutout is the only thing I'll say is a little terrifying.
Because of the nollie flips.
Well, I mean, that's not me.
You know,
Just
people
for
are
a
doing
regular
like
person.
nollie trays on this.
Okay, so there's potential.
That's not gonna be us though.
I mean,
We're just gonna cruise.
speak for yourself. The kickflip off is gonna be fire.
Okay.
All right. Oh, I'm really excited about this. This is really
I know,
cool.
it's good, right?
Yeah, I love just being fully surprised, not knowing what I'm stepping into.
Not only that, but I've had this thing for probably a month, waiting for Gabe Cruz to make his return to the big screen.
It's not very often you see a board that can just
Cover your entire body. This is a surfboard.
Yeah,
It is so clean.
It's really sick. Everybody skates, huh?
Yep.
I love that slogan too. It's good stuff.
Okay, this is the world's largest board.
You ready for this kickflip challenge?
Yes.
The battles have been good today.
You're up. He thinks I wanted to win that. Of course I didn't want to win that. Nobody wants to go first on this.
All right, what do I get for first try?
Any Starbucks drink, any size,
Okay.
or, you know, any cafe, which could put me at a very financial risk.
Should we go to that one in the ferry building we went to last time?
100%.
Okay, I like that. That was a good coffee. I'm feeling good about this. Maybe it's just a false sense of security because the board is so big, but it's gonna be hard to not land on it.
Yeah, but how do you flip it?
Boy, I got the ankles of steel.
Just look at that, it looks so wrong. He straight had that too.
Yeah. It was all
Wow. So what do I get for first try?
Same thing.
Well, I need that. It'll be the only drink I have all week. No! I actually tried. I threw my back out. I threw my neck out.
I mean, I didn't mean to make it look that easy. Good old-fashioned kickflip off. It's been a while.
It's been a while. Since she said.
Oh, what's the other one? The one at the end of the Spider-Man 1? And they say that a hero can save. I'm sorry, I've been derailing every video with these songs, but I don't know where they keep coming from.
It's the only rail we have left. Holy! I love that you were worried about your future children on those other videos we filmed. This one is where you need to worry about your future kids. This thing hits you in the balls, it is game over. Unfortunately, I don't even think I can do this.
Oh.
I need to do ankle exercises. I need to get back in the game.
I hear him say that, and I realize I should have bet like $100 on who wins this challenge.
Instead, it was a coffee.
He said it was a coffee.
You're just being a wussy.
That guy coughed right when I popped. No, that's like the golfer in me now. If I hear something, it immediately destroys me.
I may have paid him to cough right when you popped.
Yeah.
I may have paid him off.
Hey, we got a display going on over here.
I know, the dancers. One of these days, I'm just gonna go bust up in there and say, you know how you like me now?
Hey, what are we doing here?
Practice steps.
No, that's minus a half point.
Are you serious? I literally don't think I can kickflip.
There's not many things that you have issues kickflipping, but I don't know if you could do this, man. I'm seriously doubting your ability.
Oh, so you're saying I can't?
I'm saying I don't think you can do it. I'm gonna land this right now and just revel in my victory. It's not many wins I get.
That was almost the primo that would have ended everything. So he says I can't do it. Say I can't do it? What'd you say? Can't do it? Just give up, Aaron. Give up, Aaron, you're cooked. You can't kickflip this no matter what you try. Cooked, old man. What'd you say? What's that, Gabe?
Fudge.
Live to win.
I'll take it with extra cream!
What does that mean?
I don't even get a chance to rebuttal too. That was your chance to win.
Yeah, because I'm second. But you can still do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Look at this thing.
What is that? Is that Waymo?
I think so.
You got a
Literally 300
freaking
of
I
them.
Am Robot Waymo fleet going down right now.
Yeah, straight up. Shout out Will Smith.
This is not good.
Shout out AI. We love you, AI. Please don't kill us.
Let me get that redemption right now. I can't believe you landed that, dude. That was so good.
Holy! I ain't gonna lie, Gabe. That was the sexiest kickflip I've ever seen.
Thank you.
Big back.
I cannot do that with you saying that.
The wide boy.
I might be having some difficulties, but I stand by what I said. This board is really good. Oh, God.
Yeah, I love this thing. I will cherish this board forever. In fact, I think I'm gonna film a whole video part just on this board.
Fudge. All right, to the people. I'm going to land it right here. I've discovered what is happening. I am popping and I'm flicking at a speed that is too quick to adequately flip the board in a way that does not get sent to the moon. So what I will do is I will pop it and I will wait and then I will flick and I shall land.
Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah!
Yeah! All right, that was really good, thank you. All right, I feel good, man. I got half cap flip on this, I think.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
So we'll just do like as many tricks as we can, I guess.
Yeah.
Which is not very many, so this won't take long. How about that mall grab though?
Dude, you can't make that steez up. And you're just born with that.
Okay, shove it I'm scared of, I ain't gonna lie. Why? Okay, surprisingly easier than I thought.
Do you think varial flip is on the table?
Yeah.
Think we're cooking? Can I try?
Shut up! Okay.
All right, let's go for the little pop shove. I really like this thing. Dude, the way it's popping though, it's so good.
Wow.
Oh boy, man, this thing is good.
The one thing I will never do on this probably, heel flip.
Yep.
I'm okay.
Whoa now.
I'm good, I'm okay.
I absolutely love this.
We're still there. Do the half cab flip.
Right here, first tee.
Oh,
Just gotta get the feel. I don't know the timing yet. Okay,
you got it.
to land it right here, we're going to a Golden State Valkyries game.
100%.
All right.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, this is difficult.
Whoa! Maybe I should go along with you. The guy was like, not in my house.
I know.
It's gonna total his car.
He wanted that board.
Damn it. My body's turning a little too fast, so
Yeah.
the board is going slower than me. I got it. I figured it out. It's just difficult. All right, right here. Sorry, guys. Right here. Figured it out. Hop hard, flick slow, turn slow. Ah. Dang it. All right, right here. No! One more.
Come on, that was hella good.
That was really good.
Yeah.
This is where skateboarders are psychotic. It's like having skated in 4 months, hella rusty, skating a giant board, one tic tac that high off the ground, and I'm like, absolutely
I know, that one was good.
No.
Here we go, Gabe Cruz. Here we go. Yeah.
Dang it, dude. That sucks. I want it clean.
Get it clean. We can't be having this going, Steve hates skateboarding. Wow.
We'll take it.
Get out of here, that was good.
We'll take it. Ah,
That was fire, Cruz.
man, that thing's tough.
I know, right?
That thing's tough. You got something on it?
I don't know.
Kickflip body varial?
Let me try some stuff. Ow! Why? It is so big.
It is. Yeah. You think you could ollie a board with it?
Ollie over a board?
Yeah.
Yeah, easy money.
Gotta go fast.
Oh man,
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's less easy than I thought.
Yep. See, this is something that I want to see, but I don't want to do. Yeah. Dude, that looks wild.
That was scary.
Nice. Nice. Dude.
Count it.
Yeah.
Ouch! Ow, bloody hell! The shinner is real. Ow! I think maybe that could work. I want to do fakie big spin too.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, I got that. I got that. Don't fear the Reaper.
Oh!
I want a front shove there.
Okay.
Tray flip?
There's got to be a way.
I mean, that's
That's promising.
fully possible.
Maybe not.
What I feel like I want to do on it is like, I shouldn't be touching this ground.
Yeah, I was gonna say, you're a brave soul.
But surf is life. Ow! Manual.
Heel flip might be really tough.
Just try and throw one.
Something I want to do though.
Oh, you got it.
That worked really well. I was kind of hoping it wouldn't, because that's terrifying.
I know.
Try one for me. Try
I
one
mean,
for me.
this goes where the sun don't shine. You're never getting off of there.
It's never coming out.
There's no way. I think you could heel flip it though.
I'm gonna give it a shot.
3 tries.
It's possible. I just don't know if it's in my realm of
It's
possibility.
100% possible. All the people in the comments saying, I can't believe you skate a 7.75. Look at me now. Look at me now. 100% you got that.
Oh, dude, I'm good. I don't want to do it.
You got it.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, what's the ender trick that we can do on this though? Hip high, hip high.
Varial or tray?
Yeah,
I
I
don't
was
think
thinking.
double. I don't think my ankle's strong enough to do double flip. Yeah.
It is
You got kickflip body varial, AK?
so heavy. I don't know.
It's not often you get a board that really like makes you think about what you can do.
I mean, I did that one kickflip out of sheer just will to survive. Kickflip body barrel.
Whoa, now.
I was thinking maybe it will just randomly varial heel really well. And no, it didn't.
Let me see.
Yeah!
All right, I'll do that. Do that as the ender. All right, let me get one more try on the coffee bet here.
Okay.
First try varial.
First try barrel flip, coffee. Let's
All
go.
right, let's go. Yeah, I'm feeling good about this one. Right here, Chloe, this is for you. I'm the varial flip god. Hashtag keep varial flips alive.
You fully had it.
This thing is just a brute beast.
You really had it. You just stopped it. And a hero will save us.
Right here, ender, baby. Keep varial flips alive. If I don't land this, pressure flip's a win.
Yeah! Wow.
Dude, it's so hard.
You got it though.
It's really hard. I'm throwing every ounce of strength I have
I
in
know.
this pop and flick though. It's
I
heavy.
can tell. I knew it.
All right, that's what I needed. That pissed me off. That could not have been better.
Nope.
Don't give up. I almost did, and I would have been sad. Let's go.
Let's go, boy.
Woo!
That was sick.
That is such a good board. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
One of the best boards I've ever skated. That is really good. Everybody skates, fantastic work.
Huge thanks to Everybody Skates for sending me this board. It is super, super awesome and super fun to skate. You guys should go to the Everybody Skates website and get yourself one of these boards. It is awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please follow Gabe Cruz on Instagram
Thank you.
at GabeCruz01. We'll see you in the next video.